This house we're renovating is a ranch-style home, single story, built in 1959. It has around 1,300 square feet in it. The exterior definitely needs to be painted. You can see on the walk-up here that these wood pieces are really old and dirty and just in terrible condition. So that'll all be removed, and then I guess we'll need to figure out if we're going to wrap the columns or what we're going to do with the front. The paint color needs to be changed. The flooring there probably needs to be painted. We need a new light, and the front door looks really dirty, so that'll probably be painted. I don't know that we can get a new door. Looking inside, the paint color is really yellow. The flooring is like a vinyl type of flooring, and the ceiling has a drywall patch that needs to be repaired. Here's another look at the flooring, so you can see there are different types of flooring throughout this living room, so we'll have to unify that. There's a bedroom here immediately to the right. I'm sorry, not a bedroom, it's a room. It doesn't have a closet, so it's not considered a bedroom. I think we'll make that an office. Then there's another room here to the right, and it's a pretty sizable room. We'll need to change that fan. The flooring in it is nice looking, but since it doesn't match with the flooring in the rest of the house, we're just going to have to redo it. The kitchen here is very small and it's in bad shape. We have a pantry here, but in that door straight ahead, there's also a utility room closet. So I'll have to have you help me decide if we're going to change by removing that pantry or leaving it. We definitely want to change the countertops because those are in bad shape. And again, the flooring here is all mismatched and needs to be redone. Here's another view of how the flooring looks and how the kitchen looks in general. You can see the cabinets need to be changed, and so do the countertops, the sink, the faucet, everything. That's a view to the outside from the kitchen. Then as we proceed along from the kitchen, we're going to take a look at the rest of the house. Here you'll see that there's a drywall area that needs to be popcorned. It was an old repair that was done there. We come down the hall to the original portion of the house, and you'll see there's a small closet here to the right. The door of the closet is broken, so that'll need replacement. To the left here, we have a bedroom. Closet doors have been taken off. This yellow color continues throughout here. The flooring again is bad news, and the fan doesn't look to be very nice. This is a super old fuse box. Everything seems to be working fine. It doesn't seem to be one that's not allowed by insurance, but it just is very tiny and very old. Here's another bedroom here. Again, we need to change the overhead lighting and fan, paint, change the flooring, and this one will probably need a new door. You'll see it has a hole in the door. This third bedroom has the tiniest fan that I've ever seen in my entire life in it. It also has different flooring. You'll see that it's kind of just the square kind of vinyl tiles, and the walls really are dirty. Sometimes the camera doesn't capture it, but here's a closer view showing just kind of how dirty and worn the walls are. They definitely need a nice fresh coat of paint and new outlets and things like that. Look at how weird this tape around the door is. I'm not sure why that was done. And again, I look at the fan because it is the tiniest fan I've ever seen. There's a hole in the door that needs replacement. One of the real drawbacks is that this house has only one bathroom. So I think we're going to have to really work to try to renovate this bathroom and make it spectacular. It's got this crazy wall that you have to step really high over to get into the shower. The shower itself doesn't look to be in great condition. And I think we need to change the lighting and the vanity, of course. It's another look at the flooring just to show you how it is mismatched throughout the home and definitely needs updating. And then a view of the back of the house. There's a porch there, but the prior people put a bunch of plywood there that needs to be removed. The AC is super old. That's an old AC unit and needs to be replaced as well. And here's another view of the porch. I'm really looking forward to getting your help, input, and ideas on choices such as paint colors, flooring, backsplashes, vanity, so on and so forth, lighting. So here's the site where to sign up and get started with the first survey question. That's a crazy long link, so I'm providing the link in the comments below so that it'll be easy for you to just click on. It'll ask you for your email address so you can sign into the project, and then it'll give you a password to get onto the site and start the first survey. Thanks again. Bye-bye.